Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with an unboxing video. The Beads and Blooms Jewelry Making Festival kit just arrived. I am teaching for Jesse James Beads during this, and it's got this cute little bag here. It's like an insulated like picnic bag. I love it, love it, love it. It's got a little bunny jumping into a teacup. There's a cute little sticker, like holographic sticker. Wow, I'm really close. I'm gonna back out. All right, that's so much better. I'm sorry if I blinded you, but look at this cute little bag. It's so adorable. Every time that they launch one of these classes, they give you a cute bag. So this one has like pockets. We know Brittany loves a pocket. So there's a pocket on the outside. There's one on each side. One's mesh. This would be great to take to a bead show. Somebody just asked me to go to Bead Fest for them in May, and I can't go. I can't tell you who wanted me to go yet. That's a surprise, but they asked me to go and I can't go. So I'm a little sad, but this is making my day better because it all happened in one day. So I don't really know what this is for yet. I guess we'll find out. It's like a plastic, sorry, my bead mat is atrocious. A plastic little, I don't know if this is like for, I don't know what it's for. We'll find out. There was this super cute little baggie of treats that I haven't even opened yet because I knew I would be tempted to eat it all at one go. But Milano, dark chocolate, cookie, yummy. Oh, stroopwafel. They started giving you these on the planes, like when you're traveling. Yes, please. A Kit Kat. And the funny thing is I have a P.O. box now, so all this stuff is not melted, even though I live in Arizona. So dark chocolate and milk chocolate Hershey's. This is amazing. Look, we have a little lip balm. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to see what this smells like. Oh, creamy vanilla. Oh my God, it smells so good. And then what's this? Is this tea? I'm guessing it's tea bag, but oh, that would make sense because it's a bunny jumping into a teacup. So, oh my gosh, all those yummy treats. And then here is our little booklet that tells you everything that's going to happen. So, but just so you know, I'm going to be teaching at the JJB summer camp too. So here are the dates, write them down. But the pre-registration starts the 18th. Here's everything that's in this kit, and all the different companies that supplied some different things. And then we come to the classes. Mine is the last class, and then there's a show and tell Zoom party. My class is the last class, so we can give you time because I'm doing a 2-part class in conjunction with Gem Hawks. So Gem Hawks is making this beautiful pendant with you, and this is straight from her hands to my hot hands. Look at this beautiful pendant she's going to be teaching. And look, it's a fidget spinner pendant, but it's supposed to look like a sun. And I think she did such a fantastic job. And then I'll be doing a macrame necklace involving that pendant that she'll be teaching on the 12th. And then my class will be the macrame necklace on the 19th. So I'm just going to go through everything with you. We have some strands. So we have this mixed berry tort. It's got some lava beads and like a raspberry. We've got some little check glass, some stone, some acrylic, some more stone. Interesting color palette. This one's called macaron. I never know how to say it. It's not macaroon because there's only one O. I think it's more macaron than macaron. But anyway, look how cute this is with our cute little pastels. We've got some Hishi beads. We've got some, these are like textured glass. They're like faux druzy. And then we've got this beautiful crystal bead. Sorry, my hands are a mess. And yeah, this is really gorgeous. Next, another strand, jasmine tea. So we've got a bunch of antique brass spacers, some bead caps, some opalite, like glass beads, some more spacers. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. It's all spacers. And then some opalite glass. Then we've got some like potato chip spacers. And I love these. These remind me of like African brass. I don't think they are African brass, but they're really beautiful. We've got some 26 gauge gold German style wire from Beadalon. I've never used this. This is what Jem is going to be using in her class, these 2 wire crinklers. I'm so excited because I really, really want to learn how to... I've been sleeping on doing wire work because I do like wire work. I just don't... I always tell myself I don't have time, but if not now, when, right? We've got some 7-strand Beadalon bead stringing wire in satin gold. I'm not going to open this mix. I want to keep everything together for the classes. This one's called London Fog. Looks like there's some really cool chain in there. So there's some chain reaction, some check glass, some little leaves. Oh, looks like a couple charms. These glass pod flowers, some crystals. Oh, this is a cute little mix. And I love that purple, blue, gray, smoky Londony Fog color mix. Next we have some hemp cord. This is what I'll be using in my macrame class. Next we have some 1.5 millimeter round Mystique pink leather cord from Leather Cord USA. That's beautiful. It's got a nice pearlescent sheen. Here's some wire. I'm wondering if this goes with Jem's class. This is a super cute bead strand with cupcakes. So adorable. These are Dakota stones. We have some carnelian, some rhodonite, and I think it is aventurine. These are from Dakota Stones, which I love. Then we've got some beads. We've got some glass pearls in 3 different colors, and then some, I think these are fire polished beads, and a really cool matte ivory. 2 huge, and I do mean huge, I don't think I have any acrylic flowers this big. 2 huge acrylic flowers. We've got some clasps. Very cool. By the way, the only clasps I brought to this temporary apartment that I have are from Jesse James Beads, and so far I haven't found a project that didn't work with some of the clasps that I brought. This is, I think, one of my favorite things in this whole bag. It's like when I saw it the first time I opened it, I was like, oh my God, so cute. Look at those little daisies. And if you had some paint or anything, you could put a little yellow dot in the middle if you wanted. Those are the cutest little daisies on this chain, little daisy chain. We have some 20 gauge German style beading wire from Beadalon in gold. A heart button. I think that's Tiara cast. Some wildfire. 20 yards. Another bead mix. This one's called Garden Tea Party. Super duper cute. We've got some faux pearls in there, some tensia beads, some check glass, tons. Oh my gosh, do you see this? It's a little teapot right there. And then flowers, crystals, more flowers, spacers. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest little mix. Love that. Some wire guards, some seed beads in like a frosted glass and a purple AB. Some cute little, these look like lampwork beads. 2 beautiful crystal drops. Some little needles. And then last but certainly not least, this gorgeous Golem Studios ceramic bead that'll be part of the class that Jem and I are teaching. Classes, I should say. So favorite things, definitely this, that daisy chain and this mix. And I actually really like the little cupcake bead. I'm not teaching the class using this one, but the class that's being taught with this strand, I have my own tutorial doing almost the exact same bracelet on my channel. So I'll probably end up using this for a different project because I really love those beads. But anyway, if you're interested, I think, you know what, I'm not sure if these are sold out. I will put that on the screen. But either way, there's a 10% off coupon available for Jessie James Beads. If you use my coupon, it's in the description of this video. It'll take you straight to their website. I put their website in there. It helps my channel. Let me know what your favorite is here. And if you're attending, get excited. It's a couple weeks away. See you there. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.
Hey, why are you still tired? You've been sleeping all day, ma'am. It's just what you do. Hi, kitty. Hi. Yeah, you're a kitty baby.